Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to wire transfer on CIBC. Well, first you need to obtain certain banking information from a recipient, okay? Things like the amount in the applicable currency, the recipient's information, you need their full name, their complete civic address, including their street name, city, province, state, postal or zip code, and country. PO boxes are not accepted. So this is what you need, the complete street address. Okay? You need the recipient's bank details, their account number, their branch number, right? The complete name and address of the recipient's financial institution, including their postal or zip code. And depending on the country or territory, you will need these details as well. For example, let me show you one. For United States, you will need the ABA routing number and the SWIFT code or BIC, right? And of course, you also need the reason for the transfer. So if you are paying for an invoice, you need to indicate the invoice number, or maybe the purpose of the payment, reference numbers, things like that. And once you have all those information, which are necessary for the wire transfer, you just go ahead and visit a CIBC banking center and they'll initiate the transfer for you. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.